Teachers, all the elders, and my dear friends. Myself, Rutino of Czechoslovak Studies. I'm here, and I'm here to deliver a short speech on my topic, idol students and his teaching, and the speech is somewhat like this. Firstly, I'd like to say that in the modern world, the students just waste their time, enjoy, play, sing music, and just waste their time in the whole year. And when the examination comes on the door, they start reading like a madman. They become crazy. What is this? Is that education? That is not education. But according to Swami Vivekananda, he said that education is not only limited to the information which we gather. He also said that education should be pure. It should be pure. It should be character making. It should not decrease our self-respect. It should increase our self-respect. It should give us the self-confidence and many other aspects which are very valuable for our life. This theory or the concept of Swami Vivekananda, we see that nowadays students are not following, and ultimately this lackings is unbenefiting the society and the school life. Secondly, he also said that the students of the youth generation should not be criticized or discouraged in their very young generation, very youth time, because if they did like this, because if the parents discourage the students, or if they discourage or if they criticize unnecessarily their students, then ultimately they will lose their courage, and ultimately this will lead to take some wrong decisions in them. That is the main faults of the parents that lead to quarrels between them. Next, he also said that God, who is God? According to some people, the concept of God is nothing but the people. The people are the God. The eternal soul is the God. If we, instead of serving a God, if we serve a person who is poor, who is not getting food, who is not having any clothes to wear, who is not getting any shelter, that is God. If we support him, if we serve him, then he is the God. That person is the God. That is the main theory of Swami Vivekananda, the teachings of Swami Vivekananda. And with this lines, I will conclude my speech and try to suggest everyone to get these teachings of Swami Vivekananda into their